Welcome back, students, and in today's video I'm going to solve one of the problems from congruence triangles so that you can get a better understanding how to do with the problems regarding congruence triangles. It is a question from if you can check from NCERT textbook from class 9, so you can check the question from there also. So if you look at the question, it says that ABC is an isosceles triangle in which altitudes BE and CF are drawn to equal sides AC and AB respectively. Show that these altitudes are equal. So it's given, the figure is given. So we have this triangle ABC. And first of all, while solving these kind of problems, you must read the question properly because everything is given in the question. And if you want to prove the answer, you need to know and you need to apply the given part so that you can get the answer. Okay, so ABC is an isosceles triangle. So you have to understand what is an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is a triangle in which two sides are equal. Like in this one, the two sides are AB and AC. So that's the first one that you have to remember. In which altitudes are nothing but the lines which makes perpendicular angles. Or in other words, I can say that altitudes is the line which makes 90 degree with the line with the other part of the line which is incident to it. Like let's say that if you have a line D, let's say DE. If DE makes an angle 90 degree with the line AB, then we say that DE is perpendicular to AB. So that's the meaning of altitude. Altitude and perpendicular are the same meanings. So altitudes BE. So we have BE is making angle 90 degree on AC, and then CF is making 90 degree on the side AB respectively. So that you have to keep in mind. So what do we need to prove? We need to prove that these altitudes are equal. We need to prove that BE is equal to CF. First, let us write the given part. So the given part is triangle ABC is isosceles. So since it is isosceles, so AB must be equal to AC. That's from the given part. And then also BE and CF are perpendicular to AC and AB. So we can write BE and CF are altitudes on AC and AB. That is, BE makes 90 degree with AC, CF makes 90 degree with AB. So before we need to prove, first we need to choose any two triangles, and these two triangles we can make them to be congruent. And if we can prove to make these two triangles congruent, we can say in the last line that these two lines are equal. From this triangle itself, we can choose any triangle. We can choose this triangle, any triangle, but that triangle must consist or must have the line BE and CF. First, let us choose triangle ABE. So let us take this triangle and draw it separately, exactly like it is in the original figure. So I just take it separately so that you can get a better understanding of this question. So that is like that. This is 90 degree. So this is A, this is E, and this is B. That is AB. And then let's take the other triangle which have this CF. So there's a line there, 90 degree. So A, C, F. This is also 90 degree. So we can choose from these two triangles. We say from triangle ABE and triangle AFC. From these two triangles, you check, do you have any lines or any angles which are equal? First of all, we have AB is equal to AC, since it is already given the question. So AB is equal to AC. We can write here. The reason is from the given part. Next, if you look at this angle here, BAE. BAE is nothing but this angle. And CAF is also the same angle. So if they are the same angle, they must be equal. So angle BAE must be equal to angle CAF. The reason is since it is a common angle. So angle BAE is equal to angle CAF. The reason, common angle. Okay. And then we also have this angle AEB and angle AFC is equal to 90 degree each. The reason you can say that, since BE and CF are the altitudes, and like I have told you before, the altitudes is a line which makes 90 degree with the line in which it is incident. So BE makes an angle 90 degree with AE and CF makes an angle 90 degree with AF. So we can write the last part, angle AEB is equal to angle AFC is equal to 90 degree, since BE is an altitude of AC and CF is an altitude of AB. Okay, if you look from these two figures, we can see that two pair of angles are equal and one pair of side is equal. So we can use by the congruence rule AAS. So you can write by AAS congruence rule. These two triangles must be congruent. So triangle ABE is congruent to triangle AFC. Okay, let's just write the last part here. So, do not take so much space there. Okay, so we have already proven that triangle ABE and triangle AFC are congruent. So the meaning of congruence means the corresponding sides and the corresponding angles must be equal. So we have already proved. So what can we say in the last line? We can say that BE is equal to CF. So therefore, BE is equal to C by CPCT. CPCT means the corresponding parts of congruent triangles are equal. So that's how we prove that the two altitudes BE and CF are equal, by first trying to prove that they are the congruent triangles are congruent, and the last line we can conclude that BE is equal to CF. So I hope you understand this question, and if you have any doubt, any question, any problem, you can always drop it in the comment below. See you until next time. Thank you for watching. God bless you and stay safe.